Class 9 from Fatima CSS School. My topic is solubility capacity of different paracetamol combinations. The reason for taking this topic is I have seen many people using painkillers without the prescription of doctors. These lead to side effects like ulcers, liver problems, and kidney problems. So I decided to do research on this topic. My question is which paracetamol tablets dissolve fast and pH of the stomach? My variables are my independent variable is different paracetamol tablets. My dependent variable is solubility and pH, and my control variable is stomach acidity. The materials required are test tube stand, paracetamol tablets, hydrochloric acid, potassium chloride, water, stopwatch, pH value paper, and sodium chloride. First, we have to prepare gastric acid. The concentration of hydrochloric acid in stomach is about 0.1 molar. Measure 5.6 gram of hydrochloric acid and mix it with container which contains water and add 5 grams of sodium chloride and 5 grams of potassium chloride and mix thoroughly. Now the gastric acid is ready. Take 20 ml of prepared gastric acid in each test tube and label it as A, B, C, D. Now add tablet A to the first test tube and add tablet B, C, D correspondingly to all the test tubes. Now start the stopwatch. Now note down the time taken by the tablet A, B, C, D to dissolve. Using pH paper, using pH value paper in each test tube, I note down the pH value of the solution. Now I tabulated the readings. Paracetamol diclofenac took average time of 6.36 minutes to dissolve, and paracetamol plus aceclofenac took 5.27 minutes to dissolve, and paracetamol plus ibuprofen took 19.07 minutes, and paracetamol plus nimesulide took 4.6 minutes. Among these four tablets, paracetamol plus nimesulide dissolves faster. Now I note down the pH after the dissolution of tablet. First, paracetamol plus diclofenac took 1.5 pH, and paracetamol plus aceclofenac is 2, and paracetamol plus ibuprofen is 2.5, and paracetamol plus nimesulide is 3. uh, according After the observation of these tabular columns and the graphs, I found that paracetamol plus nimesulide dissolve fast in average time of 4.6 minutes, and its pH value is 3. But all these tablets supports the pH of the stomach. I conclude that all these tablets supports the pH of the stomach, but paracetamol plus nimesulide dissolves fast and sustain the pH of the stomach. If you often took these tablets, these lead to stomach problems, liver problems, etc. Thank you.